today, look at all of that. Got it out. So much.
So hi everyone, this is a video just giving my aunt's channel a shout out, and her channel is extreme couponing, or you can put welcome with the number 2 couponing. As you can see, I'm just showing you guys some of her stockpile. On her channel, she shows you how to save money, how to go to CVS and save money, how to go to Rite Aid, Target, all of these different places, and you can get so much for so little. So make sure you guys head on over to her channel. In the description box below, I actually have her link to her channel. Make sure you go check her out, subscribe, like her videos, and hit that bell. When I tell you I've learned so much about couponing from just watching my aunt, or when I'm up there in New York, you know, visiting, just being around her while she coupons, I've saved so much money, and now I just know how to do it. Not as good as she does, but of course I'm like a pre-couponer. So you see her room, that's her stockpile in her house, and it looks like a store, guys. I mean, it literally looks like a store. So head on over to Extreme Couponing, also known as Welcome with the number 2 couponing, and check out my aunt Splint Rose. Okay? Bye, guys. Like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that bell so anytime I bring a video, you guys will be alerted, because I go live a lot and I go live randomly. Okay, thanks guys. Bye. Also guys, I forgot to mention, yes, that is all of her hair. Yes, that is all of her hair. She's been growing her dreadlocks for years, and aren't they beautiful? That's all her hair. So any questions about couponing, those long dreadlocks, just go over there and ask her. She's really, really sweet. She will answer your questions. She does get back to you. So thanks guys, and yeah, get on over there and learn how to coupon. Let's save some money in 2018. Bye.